The Oddict Twig Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Oddict Twig Pro true wireless earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user manual, USB-C charging cable, and small, medium, large ear tips. The earbuds feature 6 hours of listening time, 15 hours with the case, the Qualcomm Snapdragon sound, Bluetooth 5.2, AAC, SBC, and aptX codec, 12mm drivers, ANC, ambient, app integration, and EQ settings, button controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case has a small compact design with a hockey puck shape to it. It has a matte finish with an aluminum backing. On the front, you have the branding. On the bottom, you have the pairing button, USB-C charge port, and the power LED. Inside, you have the charge status LED. To access the earbuds, just flip the lid down. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are easy to grip and remove from the case. Inside, you have the ear indicators along with the branding. Taking a look at the earbuds, they have a stem design with an aluminum finish. The ear markings are on the inside face, and the lower part of the stem has the button control. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, sensor, microphones, button control, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback, calls, and the ANC features is just a few taps on the button. This has app integration as mentioned. You can control the various ANC settings, ambient, EQ presets, and the general settings. The case comes in at 2.2 by 2.2 by 0.9 inches. It weighs in at 47 grams, and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark, you're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Oddict Twig Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, although I found the app to be a bit buggy and connecting to it was a bit tedious. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. I found them to be comfortable and they seated nicely in my ears. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals, and you can definitely wear them for extended periods of time with no issues. I like the button placement on the lower part of the stem as it doesn't add pressure when navigating. Build-in quality is solid. The case has a sleek design and feel. Earbuds feel durable with the aluminum finish. Button controls were responsive and easy to navigate. Battery life is a bit underwhelming, coming in at 6 hours and 15 total with the case. I like the app integration, but I would have liked to have seen a better IPX rating. The ANC feature along with the ambient sound worked as expected. I feel that it's in line with many that I have tested and nothing that really stands out. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in deep and punchy. Definitely not lacking. Mids and highs are crisp and clean and there's good separation. Vocals and instruments do stand out. It was a very pleasant listening experience all around, and you can adjust the EQ to your liking. Overall, I feel the earbuds sound great. It does have some competition at its price point, so it will come down to features and the overall look that you are seeking. So that is my review of the Oddict Twig Pro True Wireless Earbuds. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.